Okay. All right. So these ones I got it before the dreamer one. These ones I bought them from the market. That's why they're not in any special packaging. This one I got it from ShopRite. I already have one, but I was just in the ShopRite and I saw this one and my eye has just been on it since then. And so the next time I bought, the Wednesday I went to ShopRite, I just had to get it, like long truth. So I got this one about like day before yesterday. This one was 1.5. So far, it's been nice on me. A good, nice, mild facial cleanser that won't like strip your face and make your face feel dry and cracked. Okay, this one is my. And I also got Amos White and the Amos White anti-spot decking. Actually, I got it because it said it has SPF 50. I didn't really get it because of the whitening. So because of the whitening, I wanted something that will moisturize me and also like brighten my face a bit since after NYC palaver, and also protect me from the sun. I also got this one too. This one I got it for my mom. She actually I got it too for my mom. I'm actually going to be using from hers. I got it because she doesn't wear sunscreen and I wanted her to, but she's like it's too much work. So I got her a face cream that has sunscreen in it. I'm even forcing her to use it, guys. Like I'm forcing her to use it. So I got both of them, and I got this two serum, Perfect White Vitamin C serum and Alpha Arbutin serum. This is the second time I'm buying this serum. The first one I bought was actually, the color was very intense, very red. So the change in color is making me scared whether this one is going to be a fake or if it's going to be ineffective and not as effective as the previous one I bought. So yeah, I use this what I use in promixing the face cream that I use on my face. Next we have Gluta Wink White. I'm always talking about it on my channel. This is the body cream that I currently use. There are different variants. There's a blue one, there's a pink one. I think there's a third color. Yeah, I recommend this. It's like a very nice body cream. Let me open it up for you. This is how it looks like on the inside. I have a Jericho, so I bought this one for my Jericho. This is Jericho kit. I just used two on my hair. What's inside: the activator, the Jericho relaxer. This is where they put a mini gel inside. This one costs 3.5, like expensive now, and I'm using two. And I also bought this anti-Jackie's coils lala. This one is 3.5. I normally use Jack 5 gel my hair, but long throat, I wanted to try something new. God, let me bring the Jack 5 I normally use for you guys. Yeah, look at it. This one is very good. This one Jack 5 is like 3,000 or 2.8. I think that's how much I got this one. If you have Jericho, even if you don't have Jericho, like it makes your hair very soft if you have natural hair, and it defines curls in some hair types, not all though. This one that I use for my wig is my waterway wig. It's very nice. It has a watery texture. This one is 2.5. I got it about 2.5. It has a very watery texture, but like it does the job. I thought it's not going to work because it's so watery, but it gets the job done. See, and it smells very nice. So I would recommend this for someone who wants to get like something for their weave on. To show you that I've really been using this one for my weave on. Look at the previous one I got. The cap got spoiled, so I changed it. See, it's finished. See, there's nothing inside anymore. It's finished. This one got finished, so I bought another one. I put in this whitener oil I bought. I got this on 1,000. I put it in here though because it was leaking. Look at it. I've used a little from inside to mix. This whitener oil is very potent. If you want to use it, be very careful when you are using it because it's very potent. Look at it leaking. Look at everywhere wet. See, it's leaking. Look at it. This, if you have dry lip, I found out that adding like stay on, like helps you stay your lips still softer for longer. Then this vitamin Vaseline lip therapy is what I use for my lips. It's very nice. Normally, why at first I didn't even want to buy it because I felt like I used Vaseline on my lips. At first it was working, but eventually I feel like my lip got used to it and then it stopped working. Something like that. My lips started getting dry. I don't know why. I feel like my lip got used to it. But this one so far it has been good. I also got some sunflower oil in measurement from those organic shops. See the sunflower oil I got labeled sunflower oil from those organic shops, measurement form. So that's all for the oil, guys. You guys, let me know in the comment section if you like videos like this, because actually I like shopping for a lot of skincare products. I really love doing that. So, and I also like buying stuff, and watching people buy stuff excites me. So if this is the kind of video you like to see, please comment in the comment section below and I'll make more haul videos whenever I buy stuff. Okay, when I will update you guys when I use the products. Like, so the total for everything here is like is more than 30,000. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but I didn't get them all at once. I ordered some from Jumia and I got some from the market. Like, they are spaced apart. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. If I post videos about skincare advice that will help you get the beautiful glowing skin that you desire. So subscribe to my channel if that's something that you want to see. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. If you want to get in touch with me, you can check out my Instagram linked in the description box. And if you want to get some any of these products, I'll be linking them in the description below, guys. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.